In this video, we'll be talking about the marketing page, upsales, and cross sales. So we simply come to our upsales page and we can click add upsell. Then we choose the type. So a cross sale will appear while the customer is viewing another meal on your menu. An upsell will appear in one of two places, either as a pop-up while they're continuing onto the cart page to check out, or an actual dialogue option on the checkout page. And we could set what meal we want it to be, and we could also put it at a discounted rate in case we're trying to get rid of some stock. So here I have an upsell for my grilled chicken teriyaki. I made it $7.99, and it'll be on pop-up and checkout, and we can turn these on and off depending how we want it. And then for cross sale, we have 3 meals here, and I'll actually go ahead and I'll add one more. I'll just pick a random one and click add. So now we'll go over to the customer end and we'll see what this looks like for them. Okay, so here we are on the customer end. So I'll go ahead and click on a meal. And we see here on the bottom, we have our cross sales, the you might also like options. I can go ahead and click on one of those if I want. Then I could also see that my upsell is here. And if I wanted, I could add that as I add this meal. It'll add both to my bag. Now I'm going to remove those. I'm just going to add a couple of this turkey chili plate. And when I click continue, my upsell would also pop up here. And I could add it in if I'd like. And then finally, if we did not have the grilled chicken teriyaki plate in our cart already, while we're on our final checkout page, right at the end before we check out, it'll ask us one last time, would you like to add this plate?